Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota Avalon XSE. This one is in the midnight black metallic exterior with the graphite leather. Now as far as options go, we do have the clear protection hood and door package, the carpet mats, and the phone charger for a total of $40,181. Gas mileage is going to be 20 city, 31 highway, and 25 combined. Coming down here to our wheels, you're already on Bridgestone tires, and these are going to be your 19-inch alloy wheels exclusive to your XSE trim. You can see that nice deck lid spoiler as well as blacked out badges, and then an XSE signature is going to be those quad outlet exhausts down below. Now coming in, we do have the smart key access, so hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, this one does have 5 miles on it, so foot on the brake and button to start. Let's check out underneath the hood. Now coming in underneath the hood, you do have the 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6. It does feature D4S direct ampere fuel injection, making total combined output of 301 horsepower, 267 in terms of torque, all going to an 8-speed automatic and the front wheels. With this being the XSE trim, we also do have the sport tuned suspension. Now let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before coming in, over in our side mirror, we do have blind spot monitoring, their body color with your turn signal indicators. But checking out that graphite leather interior, it is going to be fully perforated for heated functions with suede-like inserts. Fully power as well with your power lumbar down below. Now as far as your door panel goes, perforated inserts, padded stitched leather armrest with your power windows, locks, and mirrors, with door storage down below. Coming to the steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with perforated portions and side bolster and grip extensions. Full-weight D-pad over here on the left for your 7-inch TFT display, as well as your Bluetooth phone, voice commands, and volume. Over on the right, cruise control, dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, as well as your mode and seek. Paddle shifters mounted on the back of the wheel. Over on the left, automatic LED headlights, as well as your automatic high beams. Over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now checking out your audio system, we will look at those sources. Now we do have AM, FM, XM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going back to our menu, projection is where your Apple CarPlay is going to be. Then going to your map, that's obviously always an option. Below that, we do have our dual zone automatic climate control with your driver and front passenger temperatures, fan speed, and zones right here. Recirculation, AC, and you can easily sync those. Tri-stage heated seats right there also. You have your wireless charging mat down there, as well as some storage, and this is going to be that 8-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera on your audio display. Drive mode selector for eco, normal, and sport, brake hold, and your power parking brake. Cup holders right over here with your padded leather armrest. Dual charging USBs with your audio inputs in there. Glove box damped with your owner's manuals. Auto dimming mirror that is rimless, and you also do have your garage home link integrated in. Mirror and vanity light, and you also do have your power sliding sunroof up top. So that about wraps it up for the front seat of the Avalon XSE. Let's check out the rear. Coming back here, you do have the same graphite leather interior that is perforated, as well as all your door panel materials following through with your suede inserts, padded stitched leather, power window, and door storage. Front seat behind my 5'9" frame is plenty of room. Footroom down below, you do have plenty of. Dual seat mount pockets, as well as dual charging USBs back here also. Over here to my right, you have a nice padded stitched leather armrest with your cup holders and storage. And then up top, adjustable rear outboard headrest, LED reading lights, and then your damped quartering handles and coat hooks. Nice view of the dash right there. Now let's go ahead and check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up our video. Now coming around back, that's where the XSE Avalon really shines. You do have that quad outlet exhaust, blacked out badges, and rear deck lid spoiler. Membrane underneath your Avalon logo to open it right up. You have a nice lined trunk lid with emergency release up top. Rear seats do fold down 60/40 via the pulls on either side. Plenty of room back here, and you also do have your temporary spare tire and jack located underneath the floor. God forbid you ever need that. cargo net, and front license plate bracket also. And so that about wraps it up for the 2019 Avalon XSE. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here in Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.